Chandramari, I am former international, national coach, national referee.
सर बीडीएम एकेडमी आनुकूल्य डॉक्टर जो स्फूर्ति आज मेमोरियल रोहित दास मेमोरियल टूर्नामेंट केते दल भाग
एटी मैंने प्राय 150 लोग 150 स्टूडेंट भाग नेले तापर अकॉर्डिंग टू लीग मैच आफ्टर लीग नाउ दे आर स्टार्ट टुडे they have to start quarter final, semi final and final. Today will be around 3 o'clock they have to start the final. Nowadays you are introduced ki junior comers they have to come for learn something because according to senior players and junior players they have to matching means from junior players learn from senior players because according to senior players they have to grass level they have to come up.
टुडे द फाइनल
Today is final. First after 3 o'clock they have to semi final then final is there. Our chief guest will come to their parents means let Sri Mohit Dr. Mohit Das their parents will come around 3 o'clock. His father also doctor, his brother engineer, his mother also I think she is some college lecturer, either doctor, I don't know. But they are high educated, they are sports lover. They are very interested. His son also played for I think college and school level. She is passed out from Loyola School and she is passed out from college. She also plays swimming, lawn tennis and badminton also, football also. He is a very good player. So that's why we are love to that guy. A very calm age he passed away from life means it is that is the grace of God. Thank you very much. You are come to my court and you have to interview for our BDM Basketball Academy and you have to limelight for our students. Those who are newcomers, they have to come forward. Thank you very much. Thank you.